What's happening, everybody? I'm KnowHow92 and today I've got some pretty exciting news to share with all of you. I want to introduce you to a new blockchain social media platform called Torum. Torum is amazing. I've been using Torum for 10 days and god, it's by far the most easiest and the most user-friendly blockchain-based platform I have ever used. You can earn XTM for posting on Torum, and you can also earn XTM for just completing easy daily missions like upvoting content. Let me show you what Torum is. Torum is a cryptocurrency powered social media designed to form a powerful ecosystem by bridging the social gap between blockchain based entities and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Other than allowing users to showcase their unique crypto identities, Torum also includes various features and functionalities. Let's check out some of these functionalities, guys. The mission system. Claim your XTM rewards after completing design missions to assist us in developing Torum ecosystem. Pretty easy, guys. You just post, you just like other people's posts, you comment on other posts and you earn XTM. Introducing Murads. A typical discussion or conversation is always dull without the presence of a proper catalyst. Hence, here comes Torum's exclusive emotes, namely Murads, which are made according to controversial memes around the crypto scene. That's fucking awesome, guys. Murads are really fun and it's a great way to communicate and have fun at the same time. The support feature. Support authors of contents of any form with lovely crypto-themed gifts designed by Torum's creative team. Express your gratitude with a minor amount of XTM for a remarkable contribution to Torum. This is how content creators earn XTM, guys. You can tip content creators with the support feature. You can tip them starting from 1 XTM up to 1000 XTM. Satoshi's blessing. If I ever receive Satoshi's blessing, oh my god, I'm gonna feel blessed, guys. Let's check out some more things about Torum, guys. About XTM. XTM is the ERC20 utility token of the ecosystem, which serves as the backbone of both Torum and XTorum with extended versatility, thus powering the entire ecosystem. Instead of merely serving as a pointless cryptocurrency, XTM is capable of delivering numerous usabilities. Some of the usabilities are the one we discussed above: the support functionality, the mission rewards, and the XTorum trading fee discount. This is how you can use XTM at the current phase of the site, and at the next update you can use your XTM as token depository, profit sharing scheme, as mining simulator, profit sharing scheme, and at the community Murad marketplace. These are merely the tip of the iceberg, considering we are currently still on beta launch. Do check out Torum's era to know more about our upcoming plans and concepts. How do you like Torum till now, guys? I think it's an amazing project, so let's check out the XTM token potential. It's a versatile utility token, it's a profit sharing scheme. Check out this, guys, it's very important. Every quarter, 10% of the ecosystem's quarterly XTM profits will be distributed back to the community through Torum's upcoming token depository. This is the mining simulator, and let's check out two more features that are right there: XTM buyback and burn mechanism. I love tokens who utilize the burn mechanism. Every quarter, 10% of the ecosystem's quarterly XTM profit will be burned from the total supply to incentivize every long-term XTM holder. That's very important, guys. That means that there are gonna be less tokens out there, and if people want to get their hands on the XTM token, it's gonna be way more expensive for them to buy them. And last but not least, community-backed ecosystem. Since our private beta launch, Torum has managed to attract over 4,000 people to land on Torum. 40% of XTM's total supply, 40 million units, will be allocated to the community in the long run. That's great news. That's how you grow a community, guys. You need to give back to the community so people can trust you and people will want to use your product. Last but not least, let's check out Torum's roadmap. Everything started in September 2018, the idea generation and the planning phase. Torum has gone through various phases. The alpha testing started on March 2020 and so did the marketing plan. And right now, after a lot of time, guys, we are right here at the public beta launch of Torum and Torum, at the commencement of XTM.io, and at the beta release of Torum and Torum app for iOS and Android. The apps are not available yet, they will be available in the future, because most people use their phones and not their computers nowadays. Life is crazy, so you've got to be fast. And by 2022 and onwards, transition to a blockchain-based decentralized crypto hub. I can't wait for this, guys. But still, these are all exciting updates, and the team seems to be working really hard, guys. Check out the Torum team, the operational, Go CEO, front-end developer and influencer, Alwin Chang, CDO, project manager, UE and UX designer, Jason Tan, CMO and community manager, Teddy Tan, CFO and COO, Lucas Go, graphic designer and animator, and Nathan NG, chief operation manager. These are the guys from the technical team: Prabhat Kumar, technical lead, DevOps manager, Pardeep Sharma, front-end lead developer, Jackie Chong, back-end developer, Max Kwan, back-end developer, Ankit Medwal, front-end mobile developer, and Bishal Saika, front-end mobile developer. Oops, I'm sorry, and Chai Wan Hin, front-end web developer. I really like the fact that the Torum team publicly shows their faces, their names, their links. That means that there is transparency, guys. These guys cannot take your money and leave. That's one thing for sure, because you know who they are, and that shows something. That shows trust, guys. That's all for today, guys. Torum is a super exciting project. I'm really happy to be a part of Torum at the beta stage, and you should participate too. As I told you before, I'm gonna leave my referral link below so you can sign up and we can both earn 75 XTM when you verify your account via email and via WhatsApp SMS. KnowHow92 is out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Much love to everyone, and always hustle hard, guys. Cryptocurrencies are the future of internet economy. Peace.